All right, guys, working on a 2016 Subaru Crosstrek. This is the 2-liter motor. We're going to be doing a battery replacement today. This one's completely dead. Now, what the battery that you're going to need to get is a 35. That's the series battery that you want. And this is the old one, 35. All right, so what we're going to do is take off your terminals first. It's going to be a 10 millimeter. You can use a socket, open end, box end wrench, crescent wrench to get these off. So you're just going to loosen them up. Okay, and the other thing too is you never want to touch the two terminals together. You will get a nice spark. Okay, wiggle it and pop that off. And then this same thing, just take that completely off. Now you're going to have to take off the this is a battery hold down, again 10 millimeter. Okay, and then on this here, let me show you here. Okay, now right here you have a little hold down. Hopefully you can see that. On your battery cable there's a little hold down here, again 10 millimeter. You just turn it until the thing pops off the threads. Okay, let's get this out of the way. And also 10 millimeter on this side, so we'll go ahead and loosen this up. Now you don't need to take them all the way off. Okay, we're just going to loosen it up and we're going to pop this off. So there is, I'll show you how to reinstall this. All right, so now we can go ahead and remove this battery. So pull it out a little bit here, get on both sides, and just lift straight out. All right, so while the battery is out, let me show you where your tie down points are for your battery hold down strap. So you're going to hook one right here in that hole, just like this. And then the one in the front is down a little bit lower, right here. Okay. So that's where the that's where you put the hook into. So there are two holes, one here and one up here on top. We'll just go ahead and set this right back down in. Move your battery cables out of the way. Set it down in, just like that. Okay. And if you forgot which way they go, positive, negative. Right there, that's the positive side. The negative is going to have a negative symbol right there. All right, so you do not need to remove this handle. Your battery hold down strap just can go right up underneath it. You do not want to put it over the top. So let's go ahead and we'll slide this down into place. Now go ahead and hook it into the spots I showed you down below. See, there's one of them. And then go ahead and do the other one. All right, so if you're having a hard time tightening these down, you can go ahead and pull up on it while you're tightening it down. You just need to get it snug. You don't have to get it, you know, overly tight. Okay, you just want it to, you want the battery to be held in place. So just snug, that's all. So the next thing that we want to do is we'll take our negative battery terminal. Now, we do want to clean these up before you install them. You can use one of these, which you can get at your local auto parts store, Walmart, whatever. This is a battery terminal cleaner. Just take it and run it down in. Okay, and that's all you need. Then what you do is I always clean the terminal. Even though it's brand new, I'm still cleaning the terminal. Okay, now we can go ahead and install that. And then you want to wiggle it back and forth just to make sure it gets good contact. And then you can take this, push down, lock it on. Okay. And then go ahead and tighten this one up. This again is your 10 millimeter. So let's hook that back up. Okay, you just want to get it tighten up that it does not move around on you. Now this here, you're going to take off this plastic cap right here, and do the same here. All right, let's just run right down the side of here. And go ahead and stick it on, wiggle it back and forth. That way it gets it down on there and it has a better connection. So then we're just going to go ahead and tighten this down. Okay, it's good and snug. Make sure it's not loose. Okay, and there you go. It's all installed.